Hello everyone. We have this polynomial expression z power 8 plus z power 4 plus 1, and we have to factorize this expression. So please remember, this is a polynomial expression, so we cannot solve this. Uh, Rather, we can factorize this and can simplify this. So let's start the factorization of this question. First of all, we will rearrange the question as z power 8 plus 1 plus z power 4, and now we will use this algebraic identity a plus b all squared equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So we will solve this question according, we will factorize this question according to this formula. So we can write this z power 8 as z power 4 all squared plus this 1 equal to 1 squared, and then now we have written this part a squared plus b squared, then we have plus 2ab. So therefore we can write as plus 2ab, but here we have a equal to z power 4 and b equal to 1. So therefore we can write as 2ab as a equal to z power 4 and b equal to 1. Now look at this part of the question. Here we have this z power 8 equivalent to this value and this one equivalent to this value, but we do not have 2z power 4 into 1. So we have added this from our own. Therefore, to balance this expression, we will subtract 2z power 4 into 1 to balance this one. And finally, we will add this plus z4. And now this is in the form of a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b all squared. So we will write this in the form of this. So this will become z power 4 plus 1 all squared. And now this 2z power 4 and plus z power 4. So now this minus 2z power 4 plus z power 4 equivalent to minus z power 4, and then we can write this z power 4 as z square all squared. And now we will use another algebraic identity, which is equal to a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we have a equal to z power 4 plus 1 and b equal to z squared. So we will expand this value according to this formula. So this will become a, that is z power 4 plus 1 plus b equal to z squared, and into a minus b equal to z squared. Now again, look at this question and then look at this solution. So it means that we can further factorize this z power 4 plus 1 plus z squared with the same procedure as this one, but now we have different powers. So again, we will factorize this z power 4 plus 1 plus z square, and then we will put the value of this over here. So that would be the solution of this question. So let's again factorize this z power 4 plus 1 plus z square. So this z power 4 plus z square plus 1, again we can solve, and again we can factorize, and first of all we will rearrange this as z power 4 plus 1 plus z square, and then we will use similar algebraic identities, that is a plus b all squared equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this will become z squared all squared plus 1 squared plus 2ab plus 2ab. So plus 2, we have a equal to z square and b equal to 1. So 2z square 1, and we have added this from our own. So to balance this, we will subtract the same 2z square into 1, and then we will write this z square. So plus z square. Now from here up to here, this is equivalent to a plus b all squared. So here we have a equal to z square and b equal to 1. So z square plus 1 all squared, and this minus 2 z square, and plus this z square. So this minus 2z square plus z square equal to minus z square, and then we can write this z square as minus z squared. So again, we can use the another algebraic identity, which is a square minus b square, and this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will expand this by this formula. So a minus b, sorry, a plus b equal to z, and into a minus b. So now we have this z power 4 plus z square plus 1 equal to this value. So we have solved this question up to this value, and now we will put the value of this z power 4 plus 1 plus z square, which is equal to z square plus 1 plus z square into z square plus 1 minus z, and then this value. So this is the solution of the given question, and this was our given question, z power 8 plus z power 4 plus 1, and the factorization of this algebraic expression as equal to this one. And you can also rearrange this if you want to write this z before this one, so you can write this expression as z square plus z plus 1 into z square minus z plus 1, and similarly z power 4 minus z square plus 1. So this was the factorization of this given question. I hope you will have understand the solution, basically the way through which we have factorized this, because we cannot use the term solution, because solution gives some special values, and solution is used for the term equation, and this is not equation, as I have mentioned in the start. This is in algebraic expression, and you can just only simplify this. So this is the simplified form or factorized form of this given equation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.